This is one of the coolest cars I've ever been in. This is a 2020 Tesla Model X. Today we're going to explore this thing together. One of my favorite things about this car is just how sleek this thing looks. It's got a nice dark blue metallic color to it. All the trim, door handles on it right here stay flush with the vehicle. Now here's one thing I want you to check out. That's sweet. Alright. Start by closing the doors. That's not the coolest thing I've ever experienced. I don't know what it is. Let's see if we can find some other cool things about this car. Control all the lights on the car. That's really cool. Rear fog lights, parking, auto. You got front dome lights. Curious. Navigation, safety. This thing has got complete auto mode where it basically self-driving 100%. Got navigation on autopilot. You can summon this vehicle to your location if you want to. Full navigation, of course. Let's see some of the other features that it has. I didn't know that. It's got services, wheel configuration. This thing you can completely, there it is. You can completely adjust the suspension on this thing. So if you want to ride comfortably, it's got Sport, Advanced, adjust the height of the vehicle. Complete cameras all the way around it. Got a home entertainment center here. Netflix, Hulu, games for kids. There's a bunch more great features to check out on this vehicle, but you're gonna have to come check those out in person. Just remember when you get here, ask for Trey.